Hi viewers, I thought I would just do a predictive reading for the Northern Hemisphere's summer that's coming up. I realise you're just heading into spring at the moment, but I thought I would do this reading in advance. Today is the 18th of March in New Zealand. The card that arrived for the reading was the Two of Swords, as you can see in front of you. Now if we're thinking of this as trying to pick up the energies for your up and coming summer, we see this as a lady who is dressed in quite wintry clothes. She doesn't look particularly happy or warm. She feels a little bit down, is a good way to describe her. She's holding those two swords up in the air and they face in a northeast direction, or that's how I feel. It's winds coming from your Arctic area, so that they are colder winds. If you think of that as a beach in the background around her, there's no one swimming in that beach. So I think you're going to see slightly colder than average temperatures for summer this year around you. Also, this up here in the sky appears, I'm thinking this is daylight and that's a sun, so I'm thinking that that is an eclipse. So there is an eclipse actually in November in 2013, and parts of Europe will see it, and the Americas and Africa. It's not visible to us down here in New Zealand, so it could indicate that particular timing of the year as well as perhaps those parts. There was one other card that arrived for the reading to confirm that this was the energy that was around. It does seem a little bit unusual. I picked one other card and it's almost the direct neighbour in the deck. This is the Page of Swords. He also is dressed in relatively winterish looking clothing. There is a lot of wind circulating around him, quite fast moving wind. Again, he holds his sword up to the northeast type direction, so I'm still thinking cooler than usual, really quite windy. The grass beneath his feet is still green, so I'm thinking you might have enough water over the summer periods that you're not getting parched lands. Of course, when we say Northern Hemisphere, that's a huge area of the globe that I'm trying to energize, so this may not be for the whole area, but I'm thinking there will be parts of you that don't experience a really great hot summer. It's going to be slightly below average temperatures for some of you, with wind, like a lot of wind, and possibly rain, periods of intense sort of wind and rain issues. So that's it really, guys, for your 2013 prediction for summer. I hope you get a lovely summer. We'll just have to follow these cards and see how they go. Thanks for watching. Kia kaha, much aroha.